Beep, beep. Ready to go, Diesel? Our wagons are all hooked up.
Oh, stop that noise, Thomas. I'm faster than you anyway. Watch me go.
Hi, Cranky. We're here for the big packages.
About time! My arm is tired from waiting. Stop moving so I can load you up.
Just hurry up, Cranky. Put it in my wagon first.
Thanks, Cranky. We're off. Full steam ahead.
Keep your buffers on, Diesel. Here it comes. Steady, steady.
Wait, where's the signalman? He's supposed to show the stop sign to the trains.
Diesel, stop. Look at the bridge. It's broken.
Oh no! My brakes! I can't stop! Help me!
Cinders and ashes. Diesel fell in. Help! Help!
Help! I'm in the river. It's so cold and wet.
Oh no, I fell asleep. Is everyone okay?
Quick, get the ropes. We have to help them.
Steady, steady. We've got you, Diesel. Let's get these tracks fixed fast.
Okay, team, let's fix this track right now so no one else falls in.
Click, clack. 2 wagons ready to go.
Hurry up, Thomas. Here come the stones. Steady, drop.
Thanks, Cranky. These stones are heavy, but I'm strong. Full steam ahead.
Oh no! I'm stuck on the tracks! The gates are closing! Help!
Get off the tracks, red car. I can't stop.
Oh no!
Cinders and ashes. That was a big bump.
Don't worry, everyone! The fire truck is here! Is everyone okay? Let's get this car moving!
Great job. Now we can all get back to work. Bye-bye. What a busy day, Cranky. I'm glad everything is back to normal.
Don't speak too soon, Thomas.
Help, Pete! My brakes are broken! I'm going too fast! I can't stop! I'm flying!
Whoa! Ouch! My crane arm! You're right on top of me!
Oh no! Everything is broken! The dock is a total mess!
Thomas, this is a very confused and messy situation. What happened here?